Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare raw rasam, that is Telangana special Pachi Pulusu. This is a comfort food and can be served simply with steamed rice. This special Pachi Pulusu goes well with any curry we cook at home. How we can have this Pachi Pulusu and what combinations we try at our home, I will discuss them at the end of this video. So, let's start the recipe. First, take lemon-sized tamarind with some water in a bowl and soak them for at least 15 minutes. Now, mix the soaked tamarind in water and squeeze out the tamarind juice. Separate the tamarind juice and the pulp. Now, take only tamarind juice in a large bowl and add 1 cup of water to it. Next, we are going to add some chopped chilies, chopped onions. Now, with the hand, smash the onions and chilies into the tamarind juice so that its flavors get into the tamarind juice. Mix well, squeezing the onions and chilies. Make sure this step is done only using your hands so that the flavors from onions and chilies are incorporated into the tamarind juice. Now add salt to taste, chili powder. Mix well. You can see the beautiful color. Make sure the salt is dissolved completely. Next, we will prepare a tempering. Take oil in a pan, heat it, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, allow them to splutter. Now add turmeric. Mix well. Now take this tempering and pour this over the tamarind juice while it is still hot. Mix it well. Now add fresh coriander leaves. That's it. Rasam is ready. Telangana special Pachi Pulusu is now ready, which is very simple, spicy and thin rasam. Do try these recipes as shown in the video and enjoy this with your family members. So, here are the combinations which I like to have. You can have it with any dal like tur dal, spinach dal, moong dal, and also you can cook some chicken fry without any gravy and mix Pachi Pulusu with steamed rice and have chicken pieces along with it. What combinations did you like and how do you have at your home? Try this recipe and let us know in comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!